Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add and edit documents in the eControlPro software system. To get started, we're going to add a document called the quality manual into the system. It's a very simple process. We start off by clicking the Add New Document button in the top right hand actions bar, and then we've got a couple of pieces of information to fill in, but not too much. We choose the section that we want to add the document into across the top here. You've got all the usual sections that you would expect to find in an ISO 9001 system, and obviously we're loading the quality manual in, so we'll click on the quality manual and policy section. Then we need to give the document a title, and obviously that's going to be the quality manual, which we've used already. Click on the choose file button and then browse to where your quality manual document is and click on open, and then just click on add new document to add the document into the system. You can see that it adds it into the bottom of the section for the quality manual and policy, and you can quite easily change these sections around and put the manual above the policy if you want to, just by changing the order numbers on the right hand side, scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking on reorder documents. That then reorders the documents and puts the quality manual at the top. So in order to view the document, you just click onto the quality manual link, and then this brings up the information for this document. So what you can see in the top here is you can see that this is the latest version. This is version 1 of the quality manual that we've just loaded, and there are no archived versions to view currently. To view this document, just click on the download document button, and what that will do is save a copy of that onto your machine. Just click on the icon itself and it will open up the document so you can view the document in its entirety here. So in order to edit this file, what we then need to do is we need to do File, Save As, so that we can give it a new name. So what we'll do is we'll call this version 2 and hit Save, and we can then make whatever amendments that we want to make to this document. And then all we need to do is hit save, and that will save the version of the document on our own machine here. Once we've done that, we then need to come back into eControlPro, and then we need to create a new version of the document in order to archive the existing version and create a new revision of it. So to do that, we simply click on choose file, select version 2, and you can see a preview of the changes that you've made here. Click on open, click on create new version, and it's as simple as that. So what you can see is you can see that we have created a second version of this document. So if we click on the quality manual link, it brings us back into this edit screen where we can download the document, but what you'll notice now is that there is an archived version, which is the previous version of the document. So we've got a current version of the document and a previous version. If we click on this archived version, this will then give us access to be able to view a copy of the archived version of the document. So if we then clicked on the download button here, that would then bring up a copy of the archived version of the document. And that completes the tutorial for how to add and edit documents on the eControlPro software system.